Okay, so today I'm gonna go to Pahrump, Nevada, which is about 60 miles out of town. And I have this sickness for a 12 valve Cummins diesel. And I found a guy that's got two of them. One's a 4-wheel drive 97, which is a great year. The other one is a 2-wheel drive dually with a stick shift in it. So to me, they're very desirable for cab swaps, or if I wanna do a pull the motor out and put it in a different truck. I just feel like, you know, you got to get your hands on them when you can. So I'm going to run out and get two of them today. So figured you guys might as well come with me. First of all, before I get started on talking, like, I just want to talk about people and the way they drive when you're driving a semi-truck. So I would say probably 25 or 30% of the world drive a semi-truck. The rest of you dump, that 75% of you dump says they can't drive. They drive like a Prius or a Hyundai or whatever that thing is. I mean, just right? You guys like to cut us off. Now, I'm not really that heavy because my truck's made for just hauling my own shit. But let me just educate you people that are watching this thing. There's probably not that many people that are going to watch it to give a shit. But if I get one person out of the millions of idiots out there, don't take your little Mazda Miata and put it in between a FedEx truck and literally 80,000 pounds of shit. Like, you're going to lose. It's like hunting elk, and I'm creeping up on the prey right now. Let's go see what you guys are doing back here. That's cool. Where'd you find that body at? That's really cool. Oh, I love it. It's gonna be a cool little truck. So the one I did, I put a 12 valve with a 47 RH. Transmission, overdrive, and then I'm gonna come here, and then it'll probably drop down, and then it'll cut all the way down and make a ramp truck so I can put his rat rod on it. Oh, so is it a convertible car or not?
It's a hardtop car, title and everything. Somebody made it a convertible.
Well, you probably got it cheap for parts, right? Oh yeah, trusty old second gen. Make it rain. Yeah. Hey, this one ain't even broke. This one will start, but it needs a jump box. Oh, we got some filters. That's 100 horsepower. Does some got any oil in it? Look at that fancy something. This ain't even the right dipstick. This is out of like a tractor. It is. This ain't even the right dipstick. Fire it up and see if it'll run. It'll run. It's a Cummins. Somebody put a little timing in it. I was thinking about, if that one ran, I could drive it right up in the middle. Has it got front driveline in it? No, you don't have nothing else. So yeah, we'll just push it on there. We'll get it up in there. I might pull that one up and just hang the tailgate off the back of my trailer, maybe get them both on there. This is it. This is what we live for, 12 valve diesels. It looks pretty ranchy. Probably been every dirt road there is in frickin' southern Nevada, but you know what? It's a Cummins. It's gonna last forever. This one here ain't bad. I think I can get this truck back running, put a bed on it, clean it up. It needs a new door. Maybe a nice grill shell. Put a lift kit on it, wheels and tires. Boom, somebody's gonna want that truck. I know I've had two on, but one was a long bed with a short bed truck. But I've never had two long beds on here. And one of them's a dually, so I know my trailer's gonna hate it. I think the tires are gonna be right there.
About here, center.
You want me to pull it on?
Yep.
Boy, if we get it on there, them tires are gonna be hanging right here. Dan, we're right there. Maybe roll this one back, and then if we can get like another.
Back hole, put it here?
It'll probably stay in gear, I'm hoping. If we can get that on there, another. I could go an inch. I'd go an inch. That's perfect. Yeah, we could tie the front down.
We can lift it up.
I could actually take the winch off, run it back here and pull the truck on a little bit more. I'll just tie the frickin' dog out of it. There we go. Yeah, you build those cheap little bastards.
Yeah, they just bend.
They just suck. Highway Patrol's already gonna be like, is that legal? We'll see you guys on the next run, huh?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Yeah, come see me. I'll be at the shop. All right, we're gonna hit the road, go find some food. Calling from China Walk. Nice little buffet in Pahrump, Nevada. Mint and chocolate chip ice cream. Got me a load of 12-valve diesels on the back. Hell yeah, life's good. Gotta get you some of that. Okay guys, so we got back. We left this morning, went to Pahrump, picked up these two beautiful. You know, I thought they were gonna be a little rougher than they really are. Shoot, they still got good tires on them. Like I would drive this truck to work and back every day. I got crawling underneath this red one and looking at it, and you know, this thing hasn't really been beat hard. It wasn't a ranch truck. It hasn't been out beat through the desert. Like it's in pretty good shape. Like you can tell usually on these where they've been off-roaded a bunch, and this one hasn't really been off-roaded at all. And it's in good shape. Like it's a 97, it's a great year. This one here, I don't know. I'm thinking about cleaning it up, fixing it, and selling it because it's a nice old truck. The dually back there, there again, it's really not in that bad a shape. But I think what I'll do is maybe use it this summer to pull a trailer with and then sell it or part it out. You know, a lot of these trucks, the reason why I buy them is for the drivetrain. If somebody wanted to cab swap this would be a perfect truck to cab swap. Just pull the cab off it, put your old 55 Chevy cab, whatever you want on it, make a cool looking truck out of it. And you know, the thing about these 12 valves is the more time goes on and these newer trucks, they're just getting hard to buy. They're so damn expensive. You know, you can't afford to go out and spend $100,000 on a new Ford or a new Dodge. And to me, I just have just as much fun in one of these old 12 valves. You know, they run on just any kind of fuel you want to throw at them. And they're dependable as ever. They're a great motor. I feel like this is the vintage class now, is the 12 valve. And I'm gonna collect as many as I can because I love them. I think they're cool. I'm really on a roll right now of just finding as many as we can as the fuel prices go up. It's nice to have these because they make good mileage and you can run them on, you know, multi-fuel. So you can run them on different things if you want. And they're just a great old truck. So I'm glad I got them. It was a fun journey today to go get them and load them up. I'm gonna put a transfer case in this, put the drive line back in it, and I might start driving it to work. So anyway, thanks for following today. And you know, we come up on this stuff here and there. It's kind of fun to go out and go dig around. I just thought maybe I'd take you guys with me today to show you really kind of what I do weekly. I mean, there's always something coming up that I go buy and pick up, and not all the time. I got a camera guy with me to go get this cool stuff. I wish I could film everything that I do because it's like every day there's something new. But it was fun, so I hope you enjoyed it.